Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to lock your Bright account temporarily. Have you lost your phone or you just want to pause access for extra security? Well, here's how to temporarily lock your Bright account in seconds. Open the Bright app from any trusted device or browser. Log in and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, go to Settings and then select Security and Privacy. Tap Account Lock. You're going to see an option labeled Temporarily Lock Account. Toggle it on and then confirm your PIN, fingerprint or Face ID. Once locked, no one will be able to access your Bright account even if they have your login details. To unlock your account later, just return to the same screen and verify your identity to restore access immediately. It's perfect for when your phone goes missing or you want added control. Like, share and subscribe for more Bright safety tutorials that you can trust.